Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on automatic iOS updates on an iPhone or iPad. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To enable automatic iOS updates, open the Settings app first and then tap on General. Within here tap on Software Update, which should be the second option on the list. Next, tap on where it says Automatic Updates and then you can enable it for both downloading and installing iOS updates. And so that is how to turn on automatic iOS updates on an iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in another video.